Dear student, it is my third lecture of matrix. In two lecture I have explained you what is matrix and what its addition and subtraction. After addition subtraction of two matrices, I am explaining you matrix multiplication. Multiplication are two types: multiplication by a scalar and multiplication of two matrices. You do carefully the matrix multiplication. After taking concept, you practice on this, and if find any problem, you can ask. Okay. In continuation of matrix, previously I have taken matrix, what is matrix, equality of matrix, and operation of matrix, addition and subtraction. After addition and subtraction, now we are taking matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication in matrix, two types of multiplication arrive. One is multiplication of a matrix by a scalar or number. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar or number. Suppose मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम बता रहे हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एक स्केलर से एक नंबर से. सपोज कीजिए, लेट अस अज्यूम 2, 3, -5, 7 is a matrix. We want to multiply this matrix by 5. Then 5a. 5 is a scalar fixed number, constant, and we want to multiply matrix A. Matrix multiplication by scalar, we multiply each and every element by a number, given number. Here number is 5. So here 5 2s are 5 3s are 5 into -5, 5 into 7. This will become 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 minus 5 minus 25, and 5 7s are 35. This way we can able to find 5a. Similarly, suppose a matrix B, A1, A2, A3, A4. We want to multiply a scalar k, then KB is equal to KA1, KA2, KA3 and KA4. Now KA4. Now we are doing a problem of scalar multiplication. If A is a matrix 1, 5, -2, 3, and B is another matrix 0, -1, 4, -7. Our aim to find the value 2a 3b. For this, इसके लिए हम पहले 2a और 3a निकालेंगे, फिर दोनों को आपस में सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. तो 2a क्या हो जाएगा? 2 multiplied by matrix A 1 5 -2 3. After multiplying, we have find 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are -4, and 2 3s are 6. This is 2a. Now 3b. We know 3 and b is 0, -1, 4, -7. After multiplying, we will find 3 0 0, 3 1s are -1 multiplied by -3, and 4 multiplied by 3 12, and 3 7 या 27 है, ये माइनस है इसलिए 21 हो जाएगा, माइनस है तो इसलिए -21 हो जाएगा। नाउ अब हम 2a और 3a, नाउ वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड 2a and 3a. Here we have calculated a is 2, 10 minus 4 and 6 subtracted by 3b. 3b we have calculated 0 minus 3, 12 minus 21. Now we doing subtraction. You see here 2 minus 0 is 0 और ये माइनस और -3 प्लस हो जाएगा, +3, तो 10 minus 3 is 13, -4 और ये माइनस है यहाँ तो -12 हो जाएगा, -4 and -12 -16 एंड -21 ये प्लस हो जाएगा, 21 + 6 27. नाउ वी हैव फाइंड 2a - 3. You, for practice you do these questions. If 2 3x 0 1 and another matrix 1 3 y 2, it is equivalent to z minus 7 15 8. Our aim is find the value of x, y and z. Comparing, doing addition and comparing these two matrices, we'll be able to find the value of x. Answer is x is equal to. Now we are giving idea of multiplication of two matrices. Multiplication of two matrices. Multiplication of two matrices. Plural form of matrix is matrices. Suppose we have two matrices. First is A of order m by n and other B is order n by p. For matrix multiplication, it is necessary condition for multiplication. First number of columns of first matrix is equal to the number of rows of second matrix. Number of necessary and sufficient condition, number of columns of a matrix number of column of a matrix must equal to matrix A must equal to the number of rows of matrix B. Here two matrices A and B are said to be conformable or compatible for the product AB if and only if the number of column of matrix A is equal to number of rows in B. Here you see order of matrix A is order m by n, and matrix B is of order n by p. Here matrix A has n columns, matrix n columns, and matrix B has n rows. They are equal, so matrix multiplication is possible. Now see a problem. If a matrix A is equal to 3, 5, minus 1, 2, and a matrix B is given 4, 7. You see here in first matrix order is 2 by 2, means 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. Matrix B has 2 rows and 1 columns. Here the number of columns of first matrix A is 2. Number of rows of matrix B is 2. They are equal, so matrix multiplication is possible. In matrix multiplication, first we select the first rows. Here first rows is R1 and multiplied by C1. If any other row, multiply by R1. Here only one column, then multiply by R2. R2 multiplied by C1. 3 into 4, 3 into 4, 3 into 4, and plus 5 into 7. 5 into 7. First row is multiplied by C1. Now second row is multiplied by C1. Minus 1 into 4 plus 2 into 7. After solving, we find 4 3 ja 12, 7 5 ja 35, minus 4 plus 14. After simplifying, we will find 12 plus 35, 47. 14 minus 4 is 10. Now we have got it 2 by 1 matrix. This way we can do multiplication. You see another problem. A matrix A is given 1, 5, 2, 0, and another matrix B is given 3, minus 1, 4, 6. We want to multiplication first AB. We write here 1, 5, 2, 0, and B is 3 minus 4, 6. Here this is 2 by 2 and this is also 2 by 2. Number of column of matrix A is 2. Number of rows of matrix B 2. So multiplication is possible. We take first rows. First rows is 1, 5. First column this one. Multiply by this one. 1 into 3 plus 5 into 4. 5 into 4. And again first rows multiplied by column second. 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 and plus 5 into 6. 5 into 6. First row is multiplied by C1 and first row again multiplied by C2. After that we have taken R2, second row. Second row multiplied by 7. 2 into 3 plus 0 into 4. अब सेकेंड रोज को सेकेंड कॉलम से करेंगे तो 2 into minus 1 plus 0 into 6. After simplifying, we will find 1 3 ja 3 and 5 4 ja 20 -1, 5 3 6 जा 30, 2 3 जा 6 एंड 0 से मल्टीप्लाएंगे तो 0 ही होगा, -2 and plus 0. After finally we have find 23, 29, 6 minus 2. In this way we are find the multiplication of AB. In addition we have seen addition we have seen A plus B equal to B plus A, means follow the commutative law. But case of multiplication it is not necessary follow multiplication law. Now see, we multiplied in reverse order B into A in the place of A B. Here A is 1 5 2 0. We apply same rule. First rows multiply by column first rows multiply by column 2. Again column rows R2 is multiplied by 7 and then C2. You will see 3 1 ja 3 first element plus -1 into 2, -1 into 2. अब फर्स्ट रोज को सेकेंड कॉलम से लेंगे तो 3 into 5 प्लस -1 into 0, -1 into 0. अब हम सेकेंड रोज को लेंगे 4 into 1 प्लस 6 into 2. 4 फर्स्ट सेकेंड रोज को फर्स्ट कॉलम से 4 into 1 and 6 into 2. अगेन सेकेंड रोज को सेकेंड कॉलम से 4 into 5 plus 6 into 0. On simplifying we will find 3, it is -2, 5 3 ja 15 plus 0, here 4, 6 2 ja 12 and 4 5 ja 20 plus 0, and after simplifying we will find 1 15 16 and it is 0, so it is 20. You see here AB is 23 29 6 minus 2 and BA is 1 15 16 20. It means AB not equal to BA. It means multiplication of two matrices are not always commutative. In multiplication AB not always not equal to AB equal to BA. We see more example related to matrix. It is become clear. You see, if a matrix A is given 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Before that 1 2 3 4 and matrix B is 3 1 4 7. After multiplying in the same way we find 11 15 25 31. But if reverse this order we'll find 6 10 25 36. You see AB not equal to BA. Now we take one more example. If A is equal to 1 0 0 minus 2 and B is equal to 1004. Check AB equal to BA are equal or not. For that, we first take A into B. A into B, 1 0 minus 2 and B is equal to 1 0 0 4. They multiplied. We take first row, multiply by first column, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. First row multiply by second column, 1 into 0 plus 0 minus 2, 0 into 0. Now we take second rows, 0 into 1 plus minus 2 into 0, minus 2 into 0. And second rows by second columns, 0 into 0 plus minus 2 into 4. After simplifying, we find here 1, here 0, here 0, 0 and 4 to the minus 8. AB is this one. Now we calculate the BA. BA. B is 1004 and your A is 10 minus 2. Minus 2. After multiplying, first row is multiplied by first column, 1 into 1 and plus 0 into 0. First rows, second columns, 1 into 0, 1 into 0 plus 0 into minus 2. Okay. And second rows, first columns, 0 into 1 plus 4 into 0. Second rows, second columns, 0 into 0 plus 4 into minus 2. We'll find 1 0 0 minus 8. Already we have calculated AB is also 1 0 0 minus 8 and this BA is also 1 0 0 minus 8. Here AB equal to BA. In this case it is commutative, but always it is not true. Always it is not true. We find a conclusion if A मैट्रिसेस, अगर A और B दो मैट्रिसेस हैं तो AB नॉट इक्वल टू BA है, इसका मतलब नॉट कॉम्यूटेटिव, नॉट कॉम्यूटेटिव. सेकेंड, AB equal to BA means commutative, means commutative. Third case, AB equal to negative of BA, this case is called anti-commutative. This case is called anti-commutative. Anti-commutative. So we find in properties of multiplication, in multiplication not always follow the commutative law, not follow the commutative law. It means always not find the commutative law, but associative law and distributive law hold always. We can check by this question. I think it give for your home talks. You do simple multiplication and you can check it is associative or distributive law hold always. and C is -3 4 6 0. Prove A B C is equal to B C associative law, and second, for given matrix A B plus C is equal to AB plus AC AB plus AC distributive law. This problem is for your homework. You can prove associative and distributive law. It means in multiplication case it is not always commutative, but associative and distributive law hold. अब दूसरी प्रॉपर्टी है थर्ड, existence of identity. We know identity matrix, it is 0 0 1 order 2 and order 2, and this I have explained you what is means by identity element. Identity matrix, a matrix which has only elements in diagonal, and that is 1. If any matrix is multiplied by identity matrix, we will get same matrix. You see, A is 2 minus 1 1 3 1 2 0 1 2. This is order 3 by 2, and identity matrix suppose order 3 is 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 3 by 3. Here number of column is 3, number of rows is be in 3. Then we can multiply these matrix. So now A multiplied by identity matrix 2 minus 1 1 3 1 2 0 1 2, and identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0. When we multiply A into I, we'll find here rows is 3 and column is 3. So we multiply first rows by first column, first rows by second column, first rows by third column. Similarly, row 2 column first, column 2, column third, and rows 3, column 1, column 2, column 3. See, we take first rows 2 multiplied by 1 plus minus 1 multiplied by 0 and plus 1 multiplied by 0. ये फर्स्ट एलिमेंट बन गया. अब 2 multiplied by 0 plus minus 1 multiplied by 1. Here 2 multiplied by 0 minus 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 0 and 1 multiplied by 0. Third element, third rows 0 2 multiplied by 0 plus minus 1 multiplied by 0 and 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 0 minus 1 multiplied by 0 and 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. Now take third rows 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 0 plus 2 multiplied by 0. ये सेकेंड रोज को फर्स्ट कॉलम से किया गया. अब सेकेंड रोज को सेकेंड कॉलम से करेंगे. 3 multiplied by 0 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1 and 2 multiplied by 0. अब थर्ड रोज को थर्ड कॉलम से, तो 0 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 0 प्लस 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 0 प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई हियर 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. तो यहां आपने फर्स्ट रोज को फर्स्ट कॉलम से किया, फर्स्ट रोज को सेकेंड कॉलम से किया, फर्स्ट रोज को थर्ड कॉलम से किया. अब सेकेंड रोज लेंगे, सेकेंड रोज को फर्स्ट कॉलम से, सेकेंड रोज को थर्ड कॉलम से, सेकेंड रोज को सेकेंड कॉलम से और थर्ड कॉलम से. अब तीसरी रोज लेंगे, तीसरी रोज को फर्स्ट कॉलम से 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0, 1 into 0 and plus 2 into 0. अब सेकेंड रोज को थर्ड रोज को थर्ड कॉलम से, तो 0 into 0 प्लस 1 into 1 and 2 into 0, 2 into plus 2 into 0 प्लस 2 इंटू 0. अब थर्ड रोज को थर्ड से, तो 0 इंटू 0 प्लस 1 इंटू 0 प्लस 2 इंटू 1. तो ऑन सिंप्लीफाइंग वी विल फाइंड हियर this 0 0 2 and here 0 0 and 1 multiplied by minus 1, it is minus 1, and here 2 is 0 2 is 0 1 into 1, and here 3 is 0 1 is 0 3 into 3, here 1, here 2 into 1 2, 0 1 and 2. We'll see you find matrix A alone, and if we multiply I into A, we also able to find A. It means identity matrix. It means identity matrix is the identity element of matrix. This way we can show the existence of identity in any matrix. Inverse, existence of inverse. A matrix A and B, if multiplied B into A, we find capital I. It means A is the inverse of B and B is inverse of A. If find multiplication identity matrix. Inverse, how we calculate the inverse of any matrix, we will explain and again in future lectures. In the today I have given you how you multiply two matrices. Okay, thank you.